Howdy folks, we're going to make some lip balms today. I'm making up a lovely parcel of gifts for a certain special someone. So this will be part of it. I've got from Scent Perfect Limited .co.uk strawberries and prosecco flavour lip balm oil. Then we are going to do some weighing of hard oils. I sprayed everything with alcohol. Oh. That's it. 20 grams. Now I want to add 20 grams of liquid oil, about 10 of, maybe 15 of avocado. I'll be careful because it's for all its goodness, a Hoover 5 grams. Right, now vitamin E oil. And I'm going to put a bit of honey in as well. Just a very small amount of honey in. I'm going to use the back end of this spoon. As you can see, it's starting to solidify. Okay. So, it smells lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That'll do it. Right, now we'll stir that all in together and we'll pour them into the tubes. Okay, I'll fill the rest of the bottles off camera, but that's 10 of them, which is plenty to give for gifts to all the people who will use them.